Hi there, my name's John. I'm the owner of Basjoo Gardening Services. Now, it's a lovely sunny day. Many of us will be starting to look out to our gardens in anticipation for spring, which is just around the corner. Many of us might want to be keen to improve our garden this year. We might want to make it a little bit more attractive, relaxing environment to go into and enjoy. Now, for many of us, we struggle as to know how to improve our gardens. Now, I would always encourage you to think of it as a structure. So at the back, we've got the large trees which present and produce a canopy for the garden. In the background, you can see the shrubs, and then on the ground, we've got the lawn and the borders and beds filled with bulbs and herbaceous perennials. Now, if you are looking to change your garden this year, I would advise that you think about the large items first. So in this case, we've got the two trees in the background which provide a fantastic canopy for birds, for wildlife. In the summer, we even hang a hammock from these trees, which produces a fantastic opportunity for us to engage with the garden more, and it gives us a lot of structure to the planting at the top of the garden. So if you're looking to change your garden this summer, think of the larger items first, and then work your way down to the ground, and that might produce some change that you've been so keen to see happen in your garden. Okay, thanks again. My name's John from Basjoo Gardening Services. Happy gardening.